How to add takedowns in Sneak Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily equip them. First of all, open the application. So now I'm inside the game. Here on the left hand side, there's a section of snakes. Simply tap on snakes. Now here, select the snake that you're using. So here I'm tapping on one. Here on the left bottom, there's a section of takedowns. Tap on takedowns. So what is takedowns? Basically, this is an element that is used inside the game. So after you kill another enemy, there will be a takedown and a showdown. So you can easily equip the one that you like. So here, tap on the one that you have, and at last you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Now this effect will be equipped in the gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.